I'm using these hickory slices to cut into shamrock shapes so I can decorate the driveway for St. Patrick's Day. I'll just draw 3 circles with a stem and cut them out. The Jawhorse is going to help us because we have to rotate the wood a lot. Watch how quickly I can rotate and reclamp the wood. There's a link in the description. Wait a minute, I'm having a revelation. I'm trying to include the stem of the shamrock. I don't need that. If I cut that off and drill the hole, this stick will look like it's the stem anyway. I rushed to get to the grinder, and this is what I got. These do not look like shamrocks at all. I was too quick on the cuts. Print off some shamrocks and draw them on there. I used the coping saw. It's like 3 hearts put together. I think that's gonna work.